Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about layers of atmosphere. But before that I want to tell you what is an atmosphere. So you can see here a line this much. This is the actually atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? A thick layer of air around the earth. You can see here the earth is surrounded with a thick layer of air known as atmosphere. But this atmosphere is again divided into many layers. You can see here the different layers over here. So we will discuss about these layers one by one. So let us start with all the layers of the atmosphere. You can see here this is a structure of earth. Okay, the small earth you can see here, and just above the earth you can see a layer which is known as troposphere. Now what is troposphere? This is the innermost layer of the atmosphere and is nearest to the ground. You can see it is near to the ground. It extends from 7 km to 17 km above the earth. And what happens in this layer? Weather changes takes place in this layer. Apart from this, clouds, rain, smoke are also formed in this layer. We people, we are, all the living beings, we all can breathe comfortably in this layer. So this is known as the troposphere. After troposphere, you can see now the stratosphere. This is the second layer of the atmosphere. So this second layer of the atmosphere is known as stratosphere, and it extends from 17 km to 50 km above the earth. And what is the specialty of this layer? In this layer, ozone layer is also found. So ozone layer is a part of this layer. And apart from this, some planes, you can see her planes. The planes can also fly in this layer. And why they fly in this layer? So that they can avoid the weather disturbances. So this is known as the stratosphere. Now we will see the third layer. You can see after stratosphere there is mesosphere. This is the third layer that extends from 50 km to 85 km. And what happens in this layer? The meteors are burned in this layer upon entering the earth atmosphere. They do not reach the earth atmosphere and they burnt over here. So this is known as mesosphere. Soon after mesosphere, we have the fourth layer that is known as thermosphere. You can see here, this is the thickest layer. You can see out of these all, you can see the structure over here. This one is the thickest layer. So this is the thickest layer of the earth atmosphere and ranging from 85 km to 800 km. This is the reason it is the thickest one. The space shuttles, you can see here the space shuttles. These space shuttles orbit in this layer at the height of 320 to 380 km. After thermosphere, if we will see, then we can see exosphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer where air gets very thin. And what happens in this layer? In this layer, artificial satellites, they are launched into this layer. Okay, beyond exosphere. Now when exosphere is over, then after this, beyond exosphere, you will get nothing. What you will get? You will get only vast space over there. So these are the layers of the atmosphere known as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. There is one more layer known as ionosphere. What we call? We call it ionosphere. So what is the work of the ionosphere? Ionosphere is actually overlapping the exosphere and thermosphere. This layer helps in propagation of radio waves and reflects back the radio signals transmitted from the earth to all around the earth or world. So this is one more layer which you need to note down. This is known as ionosphere.